Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Capricorn, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies. We have 8 of wands, lovers, and 9 of pentacles in reverse, guys. 9 of pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are seeing a positive change happening today. Maybe whatever you had planned for, wished for, some collaboration or partnership is taking place. Maybe in your work, some business are willing to collaborate with you and you are happy for it because you were planning for this or you were hoping for this partnership, and there are positive changes happening today in your circumstances, Capricorn. Maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are moving towards things are speeding up, gaining momentum. So maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are stepping up into a deeper commitment and you are happy, feeling confident and happy for the way things are going, satisfied and content. So maybe with this person you love in this relationship, guys, Capricorn, you see yourself in a good connection, in a beautiful relationship with this person. You both share a mutual love, understanding, trust, and things are gaining momentum. You love to be with this person, and the same way this person also loves to be with you. So maybe for some of you, you are proposing or planning to get married or get engaged. Some positive changes are happening in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may have something may be confusing or may give you a negative energy in this relationship. Maybe you don't know what this person is truly feeling. Maybe for some of you guys, there may be some doubts or some anxiety over your situation because things are going at a very fast pace. Maybe you have met them only a few days before and it has been a whirlwind since then. You were spending so much time together, you love each other, but the way things are going, you are just hoping that there will be nothing negative happening in your future. You are wishing maybe that everything will be all right, will go in a good way. So you may have some anxiety regarding your situation. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have 9 of wands in reverse. So with this card, it just means that just like we were speaking, so maybe there will be some obstacles you need to face before going forward towards marriage or engagement in this relationship, guys. There may be something you need to do. Maybe this person they need to tell you something about their past. Maybe they are holding on to something they did not want to tell you, but you may have an idea what it will be. So for some of you, that may be the obstacle. Maybe they are waiting for the right time to convey to you about their past, then make a decision about your engagement or marriage, guys. But other than that, I see that it is nothing, it's not a big problem in this relationship, guys. So things will sail smoothly. That is what I feel. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Death in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in your career there may be certain things happening. Maybe you feel stuck, unable to make the right decision. Maybe your circumstances are moving in a very slow way. Maybe there may be some delays in your projects or some suspensions of projects. So some difficulties may be there, guys. But if you are able to hold on patiently, wait, maybe give it time, your circumstances are going to change very soon, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys. So there are some things positive and negative in this reading. So maybe in your career things may go well, and in your relationship there may be some difficulties, or it may be vice versa, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship, and patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest, so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it is Sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy, you have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.